How to check if your Windows 10 is available to upgrade to Windows 11. Okay, first step, just go to the window icons on the lower corner of your screen. When you click on that, just go to the setting icon here. After that, you can look for the update and security icon. Then you will see you have the right to upgrade to Windows 11 or not. Here you will see that upgrade to Windows 11 is ready and is free. That means you use a licensed Windows 10 and you can upgrade to Windows 11, so you can just click on download and install the Windows 11 and learn the new feature or the new performance of Windows 11. However, if you don't like to learn the new things and you want to stay on Windows 10, you can click on stay on Windows 10 for now. Later on, maybe you change your mind and then you decided to upgrade to Windows 11, you can come back to the same process. That's all for the person who have the right to upgrade to Windows 11. However, if you use the unlicensed Windows 10, I won't recommend you to upgrade to the Windows by this method. Okay, the method that I would like to recommend is you just go to buy the licensed one and install on your PC or laptop. That's all for this video clip for about how to upgrade from Windows 10 to 11.